Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must act now. Locate the SIM and recall the SIM PIN you set. Insert the SIM into the iPhone and power it on. If the phone prompts for a SIM PIN, enter the known 4-8-digit code. You get 3 tries. Once you hit the third wrong entry, the SIM will request a PUK. So, make sure you stop after 2 failed attempts if you are unsure, and switch to retrieving the PUK from your carrier to avoid permanently locking the SIM. Once you have the PUK from your carrier, go back to the iPhone's SIM PUK prompt and enter the 8-digit code exactly as given. You must be precise. Carriers often allow a limited number of PUK attempts before the SIM is permanently disabled. After a successful PUK entry, the phone will ask you to create a new SIM PIN. Choose 4 to 8 digits that you can remember but aren't obvious. Make sure to confirm the new PIN when prompted, and note why this step restores network access. After setting the new SIM PIN, lock and unlock your iPhone to confirm the SIM accepts the PIN and cellular service is restored. Make a quick call or use data to verify. If the PUK entry fails or you exhausted allowed attempts, contact your carrier right away to request a SIM replacement. Do not keep guessing, because too many wrong PUK attempts permanently kill the SIM. Finally, store the new PIN securely and consider updating your account recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.